walk with me.
Do we open it?
Let's let them go first.
Wait here.
This is Smokey.
Go ahead.
He's gonna follow us, so back up. Yep, and we're gonna walk with him, just like this. We're gonna stay on the left side. Good. You try to even lots over him so you do
Bro, I can't stop sneezing and my nose hurts.
like this and you put your tongue through.
Whoa, don't stand behind him.
Yep, you wanna stay. Let's always stay on this side, right here, okay? Go on, bud. You get your Oh, there he is. Good job.
All right. You're a horse taking care of person.
Okay, so you gotta do the pony barn. You said we want to bring Hershey in, Emily? Ready?
Whoa.
Go ahead and say back up,
Back up,
back up,
back up,
back up,
back up.
back up. Click your tongue. Back up.
Don't walk behind them.
Yep, stay behind as well. Good. Good, good boy. I know you're moving. Okay, so when we do that, what do we do with the hay? Careful. You separate it.
Stand behind him.
Okay, he's gonna want hay. So I want you, yep, to open it up and spread it out. Just like I showed you. Good. Yep. Yep, good. And we're gonna shake it, and we're gonna pull it and separate it. And then make it a little bit higher so that the horses can reach it. There you go. You wanna pet him before we walk out? Okay, come here. This is Quest. Hi, Quest. He's a good boy. He's fluffy. Look how long his hair is.
Yeah.
This is his blanket. We put we put blankets on him when it's cold. Say hi, Quest. It's okay. You want to pet his face? He's really furry. So when we walk up to horses, we walk very slow. Okay? Yeah, there you go. So you don't startle them. Okay. Let's
Good
walk out.
job.
Go ahead and walk out. I want you to stay with me, okay? And Emily's gonna go get Hershey. Okay, so let me back him up, and then I'm gonna tell you to come in, okay? When I'm ready for you. Okay? He's gonna try to come in again. All right, back up. Back up. Don't come in yet. Back up. Don't come in yet. Okay, you can come in. Good job. Going right behind me. Yeah, but I want you to stay to the side of me and behind me and hold my hand. So he's gonna walk with us. Or he might stay here. But let's walk, because watch him, he's gonna walk. You always wanna stay to the left side. And put the rope around your neck. Yep. And then the side can. It's okay. So I want you to go out the gate. Hold on. I'm gonna have you go out to the gate to Grandpa, because Chance is gonna want to go with us, and he'll get a little pushy. Okay, go ahead.
Am I taking her in the...
Dad, open that gate for her.
Okay, that's good. That's good, Will.
No.
Yep, shut
Hold
the
on.
gate.
Okay, go on the left side of Emily. Way over there. There you go.
Do not run. Walk. There you go. She's a very nice horse. Her feet are kind of sore. It's called laminitis. So we don't ride her right now. We let her rest. But she's very pretty, huh? With her white spot on her nose. You see on her face? You can pet her where Emily's petting, but do it slow. Nice and slow. Good. Very good. See your ears? They're up and nice and forward. That's good. She's a pretty horse, huh? Yeah. We'll have to get you riding someday, huh? Yeah? Hey, bub. Hi, pretty girl.
Watch you swing his face back.
Yep. So they have very big heads. So that's what you have to watch out for. They don't mean to hit you, but they've got really big heads. So they can throw it without even like looking. So you always have to watch them like this. She thinks I have something. That's why she's like looking in my jacket. She thinks I got a treat, but I don't. We'll have to get her something next time. If you come to horse camp, we give the horses treats. And we groom them, and we ride them.
And she'll be in another state.
Well, sometime. Sometime you'll have to do that with me. We'll have to do that, yeah. That'd be fun.
I'm not strong enough. Hold on to
Her leg is, you shouldn't be doing that.
Yeah.
All right,
Like,
you
you have
watching?
Just let her step right inside the gate right there.
Yeah, she can step right at the edge. Yep, right there. Okay, so this is a pick, okay? So we're gonna do her feet. So we're gonna ask for it. We're gonna go down her leg. My body's pushing into this big horse. Nope, and sometimes they fight. Nope, give me your feet. I know they're sore. See how she pushed her whole body into me? They're heavy. They can be heavy. Come on. Come on. She is so tight down
She's
here.
moving.
Come on. Ah, that's what you want. So there's a lot of mud on either side of the frog, which is a V in her foot.
I did this one time.
And I'll show you pictures later. Good girl. And you want to talk to the horse and tell them they're doing good, because it's a lot. Good girl, horse. Good girl. Joggers. See the little thing in the middle? You don't want to. So we ask for it. Lean into them. Good girl. Good girl.
Wrong way. Yeah.
Okay.
Where's your hat at?
Want to say bye to Hershey real quick? I just broke my own roll. You want to say bye to Hershey real quick?
She's like a little grandma.
What are you wearing? This is going to fall off.
Well, she's cold.
You're cold? What's this have? Hold on. Wait. Stay with me. Remember, we always are arm length away, right? And then see their eyes? They're on the sides of their heads, so you can't ever come to them straight, they won't see you. So that's how you always come when you go right here. See, she can see you perfectly right here. Okay? Come up. You can pet her right on her neck. She is content as can be eating hay. Did we take the signal? Taking a minute. Stand there first. Alright, shift. Push her.
Shift.
Move.
Push the back.
The back. Yep.
Bro, I can't. She's so heavy.
You
Yep,
push in the
yes.
front.
Good girl. Now you can take off her halter. Yep. There you go. You can watch her take it off. Just like that. Okay, you want to give that to her. Alrighty.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
That other horse is gonna come eat that. Can it eat it? I don't think it can reach it. Maybe not.
Which one's that?
That's Quest. He has plenty of hay. I just gave him some.
Wait, I thought he was just over there.
We have the middle gate must be open.
Where's
yeah.
Lola taking that?
The gate. Hold on.
I think we're done.
Guy's making noises because he's hungry.
Yeah.
Hi, pretty kid.
Keep on going. We want extra. Maybe like right here.
So, watch them for a minute, okay?
Done.
Nope, keep on going.
No, that's enough.
Luella.
Megan said they told you all the way up to the line.
We want extra. So the horses know. Okay, that's good.
Go ahead.
Wow, you're getting so good at that. Good job.
Stay focused.
You're gonna put your hands like this, and once it's done, you can pull it back down. Put your hands like this. Bro, put your hand like this. And then pull it when it's done.
I think that's enough.
Pull that.
Okay, my turn.
This will. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Inside. Good job. Stay on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're a good boy. Okay, I'm gonna get you some water.
Oh, what?
Yeah, put your hand up.
Why
Yeah, you
did
can kind of snip
Just
you.
go like this. You can smell your hand.
Fingers in. You talk to him. He likes calm voices, not loud or fast voices.
Give me I'll speak. Where's the real horse?
We'll show them to you in a little while.
There's more horses outside the barn.
Yeah.
Tries to bite sometimes. I'm gonna show you Skyrim. Come here and hold my hand. You wanna come hold my hand? This one we're gonna see this one. This one's very nice. Emily's in there with them. You wanna stand with me and just look at them?
Pick him up. He'll probably go.
Here, I can pick that. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Grab it so it doesn't fall.
See, this is Sky.
Yeah.
He's a very nice horse. He's older.
Yeah.
See, Emily can pet him. Go ahead and pet him and show him. See how nice he is?
It would be better if you did that and knock us over.
He's very strong, but that's why you have to be the boss. Can't let them push and boss you around. You have to be the boss.
Why?
Or else they're gonna not listen to you. So you have to be the boss.
Yeah, that's the phone.
So it's easy for them to eat. Okay. Now once Loila's done with that, he's hungry. Once Loila's done with that, then he's
This is so bad.
Yeah, their treats are rice cakes.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I'd eat one whenever I feed it to him. Okay, let me try.
Hey,
What?
but Dad has not been. But Dad is running away from us. How do we get in here?
Look inside the cage. You'll see a hole.
Look inside the cave, you will see a hole. That's where it leads. It opens, so if you want to get her out, she's in there. You can get her out. Hey, but why no one in there?
There's nothing in there.
Why? Why?
They got nothing there.
Dad.
Okay, so this is hay. So when horses are done eating,
This is so hard to do.
hey, stay near me.
She's Meg's there. Wait for her. Anna.
Wait for me.
Hi, Emma.
Grandpa,
What?
what is that for? Is that to wash our hands?
I don't know what that's for, buddy. What's that plastic thing there? It looks like a little sink. Right there. What is it?
Is that to what?
Yeah, so come with me. Hold my hand.
What am I do gloves on? Is it heavy?
I have to wear them. You just stay right behind them.
Will you put
Put
it
it right behind Emily. Yep, right here. You can go closer. Come here, Rome.
He likes to flip it
That's
all
okay.
over.
Yeah, you might flip it. You want to watch him eat? So stand right with me. See? He's eating. He was really hungry. That's why he's making all those noises. Yeah, you can have her pet him while he's eating on his head. And then I'll let you pet him. Hold on. There you go. Nice and easy.
Don't put his eye.
Yep. Right on his cheek there.
Here,
Good.
But he dropped some.
There you go. Okay, you want to pet
Okay,
him?
Rome's turn.
Nice, guys. Just pet him like a dog. Nice and easy. Right on his head. Good job. Just like that. And then you can pet him here on his neck. Put him on his neck. There you go. See, he's just saying hi. He's just saying he was here.
It's really nice.
You can pet him. Okay, go ahead and pet him. Good job. Nice and easy. Right with his hair like that.
Hey, how did it fit on?
See how dirty he is
He's so
up here?
Yeah, but how did you wash yourself?
We're gonna try
Well,
and
we
flip it
brush
over.
him.
Yeah,
We try to keep him
He always
clean.
like paws at it.
Good job.
You put there.
Okay, so let's walk out. Say bye, Sky.
Bye.
I want you to stay with Emily for a minute.
Be careful. This one's big. But it's okay. You can
She has an attitude.
She's
not
just moody. She's just moody.
I don't know.
Yep.
Does act.
That's right. So remember, who's the boss of the horses?
Us.
Very good. Who's the boss of the horses?
Let's stand over here. so
You
we all
are.
stand behind
That's
you.
right.
Here. Here, Rome.
These are all toys. Yeah.
Yep, stay with Emily.
We don't want to stand behind him because he might get.
Hey, girl.
Okay, you can come
You're
with
walking
me.
in front of Megan.
Yep.
Or next to her.
Right next
Loila's
to me.
hand.
Good job. Show one. Let's let her eat for a second. Walk over here.
Oh my gosh, that was
Flaking. So we're gonna take her inside.
that big black one.
Let's let her
That
eat.
was. He was walking over here and he slipped on her thing and he freaked out.
Why not in that little war?
Come on, Steph.
Why not in the
Come
little
on.
Why not in the little one?
I know.
Play.
He turns off. Well, watch out. You don't
I
want to
want
stand
you
behind
to
him.
always be behind me or next to Emily.
Megan, you should just.
Stay here,
I'm taking
Luella.
her in because she has attitude. Nope, we're not doing that. Come on.
Well, come up
Luella,
here.
stay
Nope,
here.
I want you to stay behind me and next to him. Good.
Not behind him.
Why? Hey, hey,
So you don't run away.
Hey, but who's that horse?
Look at him.
Hey, but who's that horse?
That one's Pax.
Yeah. Pax? Yeah.
Yes.
Why did I
gonna grow.
You're good. Chill out.
Okay, leave it alone.
Bye.
Watch. You can come a little closer, but
Don't go. Well, that's close enough.
you guys can walk behind me and watch me take him in.
Not super close.
Ain't nobody walking behind a horse.
Here, come here.
Not behind the horse.
House. We're not going in
Well, slow down.
There's a house for him.
Okay, so let's close this. Come here, Willow.
Yep, close the gate for me.
You wanna help me, Ro?
Stop.
Okay, grab this. Okay. I'm gonna hook it on.
Oh, he likes the horses, yeah. So let's go get the water hose. Go get the water hose for me.
Oh no, even said,
They really like to drink water all day long. Yeah.
you didn't even know.
Yeah, don't spray him. There you go.
Emily.
No, go with Megan right now.
Dad,
What?
I want you to stay with Grandpa.
Me?
And you guys can watch what I do, but you need to stay with Grandpa, okay?
Hey, one sec. Emily's way over there.
Her way over there. Is that Emily?
That's Emily way over there.
Can I play in the sand?
What's
Can I play in the what?
what's sand?
Yeah?
No, don't play in the sand. We'll get in your shoes and everything.
Why? Can I have some dirty?
Yeah, you'll get all dirty and sand in your shoes and socks.
Emily, no. Emily. Where's Megan?
I don't know. She's getting a horse too, I think.
I want you guys to stay there. I don't want you to move, okay? Stay seated on that table. I'm going to let him eat grass. Eat some grass. It's very dirty,
But, oh, that.
so you can come sit here.
How are you going to clean her?
Oh, we're not going to clean him.
How? Well, how does he get not dirty?
How does he get not dirty?
Yeah.
We wash him with a hose, soap and water, and we brush him. Just like when you take a bath.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Yeah.
We're not cleaning him today. We're just going to let him eat some grass right now.
Why? Why not clean it? Why do he like cover?
Walk
He
slow,
likes
Rome.
walk slow. Rome, I want you to come on this side
Over here,
Good. You can come back. Okay, Luella.
You can go
sit
behind.
down,
Go behind Luella.
And I'm going to let Rome pet him.
Rome, you can go pet
Rome,
him.
you can come here. Walk slow. Good. Right on his neck. Good. Right there. Good job. I want you to have the first part. Just like that. Good job. So hold the rope off the ground, Rome. You don't want to trip on it. Stop. Stop. Say whoa. Yeah, let her eat for a minute. Huh?
She's so wet.
She's sweating. That's why. So this is Hershey. She is a very sweet horse. She always wants your body between the kids. But see your butt. Rolling.
Luella, you can't leave the water on.
Yeah.
There, you need to see nothing up there. Okay, give Rome a try.
Let me try. Let me try.
Luella.
Let me have. He just said he'd go for all my.
And this is how we clean. Look, like a brush. And then we go right on the edges of that frog and clean the dirt out.
But how do you go ice cream her foot? That's right. Or creaming her foot. Why are you doing that?
Because her feet have to be clean because if she has a, this is how we clean. Look, like a brush. And then we go right on the edges of that frog and clean the dirt out.
But how do you go
her feet have to be clean because if she has a injury or a cut,